off on. The cat's mother is cooking a pie. And her mother asked to get apples in the forest, so she did. While she is in the forest, she met a dog who looks like a goat. So the cat said, "Hi, Mr. Goat." The dog was angry. He answered, "Hi, Miss Egg Cat." The cat replied, "I am not an egg cat. I am just a cat." So the cat brought the dog home, and they called each other Goat and Egg Cat. They adopted the dog and went to the beach with the cat's father. While the cat was in their cottage, the dog drowned. When the cat found out that the dog was not there, so they tried to find. They ride the boat to find the dog. They found the dog and saved it.
Sige. Ay ko parang malagyan ng gula ka ba?
Ay, humana. They brought the dog home and played until night. The end.
Abi mo exam. Kasama ko. Kasama mo noon. Kumain ako ma. Pwede ka naman. Sarap ba? Ligong.
Wait lang.
Magbuko ka ate. Dito yung sa table eh.
Hindi na kumakan.
100 out of 100. Steve, sa pwede nga yung pag-away mga anak.
Mami, pwede ko mag-John Muir.
Hindi.
Poor me. Mommy's always planning things.
Ay, mag-Steve, sa pwede nga mga anak ha. Di mag-away pa yung ligo na to ininit. Tarim David, rin pa yung
Okay, ma.
Paalang ang